Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the ninth video of my sequence Hugging Face tutorial. So in my previous video, I have showed you like how you can build an LLM application how using Streamlit, where you can upload the PDF file and you can ask the question as well. So in this video, I'm going to integrate this LLM model which I have selected from Hugging Face, and the name of the LLM model is BERT model, which is created by Google BERT, and we are going to pass the context of the PDF file like this. And if we as a user post our question, it can be able to answer our question. So that is a document question answering. So the use case is based on like you have a PDF file of about 500 pages or 1000 pages, and sometimes we do not have the time to read the whole PDF file. So at that time you just need to feed it through LLM model, or you should have the application based on Streamlit or any of the chatbot application, where you can simply upload your PDF file and get the question answering from it. Okay, so that is our concept. So if you've gone through my video number 8, you can get the concept, and I started building the application using Python and Streamlit. So here we are going to execute the continuation of it. We can do the continuation of my previous video. Okay, so I'm going to open this Visual Studio Code. Here you can see we have used this PyPDF. PyPDF is a Python package which can easily read the PDF file whatever we have, and it can be able to get the content from it. Okay, so we will use the content as a context, and we can pass to the LLM model. Okay, let me do one thing. I have created a API key. I will do one thing. I'll open my Google Colab. Okay, so I'm opening this Google Colab. Let's go there. Okay, and meanwhile I'll copy this whole code. So you have to click on deploy. Okay, this is the interface API. And there is one more information, guys. If you don't want to use this model, there are so many natural language processing model is available. I selected this model from natural language processing and question answering. Okay, then I sorted through most downloads, and I'm going to use this Google BART, because of what I find is this model is pretty much faster and it is easy to use. Okay, if you want to select any other model, you can go ahead for that. Okay, so I'm going to try this code in my Google Colab. I'm going to this interface API, going to copy this code. Okay, so let me execute some random things. I have to make sure whether it is running fine or not. Okay, I'm giving some random print statement. Let's check whether it is running fine or not. Yeah, it is running fine. I'm pasting this, and here I need to check this API token. So for that I have to go there and manage tokens. You can create your own API token, and because I'm going to delete this token after this video anyway, so here I'm pasting this API token, and this is my context. My name is Clara and I live in Berkeley. So this is the context which we will get from our PDF file, and this is the user prompt, or this is the user question. Okay, and I have to print this output. So I'm going to print this output. Okay, let's try this whether it's working or not. Okay, so here is some estimated time or something is showing. Let me try whether it is working here or not. Okay, the model is not loaded, I think. Yeah. So now it is working. Let me try again. Okay. So this time it gave you the answer. The answer is Clara, which is correct, because what is my name? That is the question. So I'm going to integrate this code with my existing code base. Okay. So this is the code for document question answering. So let me execute this file. Okay. So I have already started my virtual environment. I'm just going to run this file. Streamlit run document qa.py. So if I run this, it will open this. And if I'll upload any file, you can able to see the context of the file or whatever the content of the file in Streamlit application. Next, I'm going to type the question, and it should execute the LLM model and we'll get the answer from it. Okay. So for that, we have to customize the code. Let's go back to the code base. Okay. So here you can see, guys, we have the response generator. Okay. So if we give this anything, it will give you this is the bot response, which is fine. So we have to customize this. We have to integrate the this function particularly with our LLM code. Okay, so we're going to copy the code from Google Colab. Okay, let me copy the whole thing, import request. So this line I have already imported the request library in my Python file. I'm going to copy this and I have to paste it inside this generate response or response generator function. Yeah, so I have pasted this and let me customize this code. And from this portion, you have to look carefully. Like API URL is fine. Headers, we are passing the headers. And one more thing, we have to pass this like with prompt. We have to ask the question. I mean, prompt is the question. We have to pass the context as well. Okay. So for that, we have this right. We have the context, which is text. We have to pass this inside this function. We can do one thing. We can pass the text over here. Okay, because text will be the context and prompt is the user question. Okay, then API URL is fine, header is fine, token is also I have changed, and then again one function query payload. Okay, I no need to execute this function under function because I already have the response generator function and I directly get the response from it. Okay, I'm removing this. Okay, so this should be the response. Request.post is making a request and response.json. I can give the name of it like output is equal to response.json. Okay, and query is equal to this query function is not there. I can do one thing. I can name it as payload. I'll do one thing. Wait, I'll copy both the lines. I'll give payload. Okay, query question should be the prompt. Context should be the text. Okay, and in the next line we have to provide these two line. Okay, which is response request.post API URL headers and JSON payload. That is fine. Output response.json, and I'm going to print the output and return. Maybe we can do one thing. We can return the output itself. Okay, let's try with this whether it is working or not. Our application is already running. We can simply go to our application. We can refresh the page, and we have to upload the file. If I upload the file and I have to ask the question, what is my name? And okay, response generator one positional argument prompt. Okay, because response generator here this is fine, because this is fine. We have to pass this. See, response generator we are calling from there. Okay, we have to pass the text as well inside this. Okay, response generator we are calling here. We are passing the text and response generator. This is the main function where we have defined this. Okay, let's try with this. We can save this and we can run this. Okay, so we're going to refresh this page and again we have to upload the PDF file and let me try. Okay, what is my name? Okay, so query is not defined. Okay, so query is not defined. So here is the query. Maybe I can see the line number as well. Okay, print query or something is there, right? Or else I can simply find, okay, query, this function is not needed at all. We can simply pass the payload. Okay, okay, so we can pass the simple payload. Let me try with this and we can upload the PDF file and we can ask the question like what is my name, and I think it is running. Okay, so you can see like this gave you the response and the answer is my name. Okay, so I want to see only this particular thing which is Anirban, so I can do one thing. This is the answer, right? So this is a dictionary. I can again customize the output. Okay, so rather than writing this I can do one thing. St.markdown response we are getting and response. Okay, so this is the whole response basically. So response is basically a dictionary for key and value in response dot items. I can give if k is equal to answer. Sorry, I have to give like this answer print value of it, and I am giving some identifier like this. Let's try whether it is working or not. Okay, we'll get the print statement in our terminal, but let's try whether it is working fine or not. Okay, what is my name? Okay, let's go to terminal. Okay, so see, here we're getting the response. Okay, this is the answer of it. So I'll do one thing. I'll grab this. Okay, answer print v. Okay, so we'll do one thing. Mm, so instead of printing this, okay, response assistant st.markdown response. That is fine. And here we can pass this, or else we have to copy this. We can copy this and we can give it here. Okay, and then st.markdown. Let's say v. Okay, let's try whether it is working or not. I think there should be some problem. Let's see. What is my name? Okay, so it is coming as the content. Okay, so basically st dot message dot append. Okay, we are appending this whole thing and st dot markdown response. I think this thing is not needed. Okay, so if we commenting this text and prompt, this is the prompt and this is the user. Okay, let me try this whether it is working fine or not. What is my name? So okay, markdown message is required anyway. st dot markdown response, or else we can do one thing. We can keep this under this. Okay, for kv items k answer, and then we can give this. Okay, and then print, and then we can write this. Okay, let's try whether it is working fine or not. What is my name? Okay, again it is giving like this. Accept user input and display the response in the chat message container. Okay, so it getting the output in the terminal. We want this in UI. So we'll do one thing. I'll discard these changes. Okay, and for kv in, okay, we'll discard all the changes. Okay, okay, add messages, and here we will do one thing, response, and from there we can just extract the data as answer. Okay, so this is the answer because this is the dictionary, right? And let's try with this whether it's going to extract this or not. So again, I'm going to upload the file and I'm asking what is my name. Okay, so this is giving the same answer, role assistant content response, and then answer st.session state messages. Okay, st.markdown, we are marking down the whole response with st.chat message. Again, we are going to extract this answer. Let's see whether it is working. Yeah, so we got this. So what is my name, and this is the context, and I'm going to ask another question. What is my favorite color? Okay, so see, it is giving the answer properly. And I'm going to ask the question where I am going to work as a developer trainer. WHERE, where I am working as a developer trainer. So you can see like it can able to read the context from the PDF file and it is answering your question. So this is the use case of a particular LLM model which can answer the question of you from the document, uploaded PDF file or uploaded, even instead of PDF file, you can use CSV file or Excel file or text file as well. And if you have any data connection with your database, you can use that as well. So this is the use case, guys, and this is very easy to use and that is very much useful. So one funny thing of my friend I can share it with you guys. So before few months, one of my friend built this LLM, and they have used the OpenAI API key instead of this Hugging Face free API key. They have the paid version of OpenAI API key, and they have uploaded one of the file. And one that friend have some exam. Okay, so that is a open book exam, and he has a very big PDF file of 270 pages, I guess. So that time they take a help from this LLM model, and they simply uploaded the PDF file to that particular LLM, and they gave the question whatever they have in the question exam, and they got the answer. So and they got the full marks even. So because OpenAI have almost accuracy of 100%. So that is the one thing I have shared, and this is the way you can create your own LL model or chatbot where it can detect an object or create the text from an image or regular question answering model, and also a PDF file chatbot. Okay, and I'm going to share this code. And if you have any problem or anything, you can comment me in the comment box. And if you want this Python file, you can comment me in the comment box. I will provide it to you. And one more thing, if you have any doubt or anything, you can directly comment me, and please subscribe to my channel, and please like this video and share this video because that will keep me motivated. And till then, I'm going to see you in the next video of this series. Slowly we will go to some another video where we can deploy this model either in Linux server or in space in Hugging Face. So I'll going to make some another video on that topic in the next portion of this playlist. And till then, stay tuned and have a great day.